Hello friends, welcome back to let you know another amazing security feature on Redmi MI phone. Yes, it's a face unlock. Ensure before you enable your face unlock, you will have to set up a lock screen password first. And then you should make sure you are in a well-lit room to get a decent baseline. All set? Here's how to enable the feature. Tap on Settings and scroll down to Password and Security, and now tap on Face Unlock. Now draw your screen lock password or pattern, whatever you are used to. Add 2D face data. It's a caution, in this stage make sure all parts of your face are not covered by objects and clearly visible. And remember, face should be well light room as well. And also, most important, there is a security issue that face unlock is less secure than password or pattern. The reason is phone might be unlocked with your photo. However, if you agree, tap on next. Now place your face perfectly to the camera and you are done. Now you are in a face recognition setup. In this stage, you can set few things such as you can delete your face data if you don't like, or you want to reconfigure again. Few more setup like unlock your phone using your face data, and you can set up lock screen, show notification details after verifying your face data. That's all. Enjoy your new face lock and have fun. Oh, and remember to subscribe my channel to provide more tech info for you guys, and turn on bell icon to notify when I release videos, and keep watching the latest videos which is screening now. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day.